Good day everyone! I'm Angela De Guzman and I'm here to evaluate limit of 3x squared plus 4x as x approaches 1. So first we have to do is to substitute the value of x into 1. Why? Because as we can see that in the given, it says that x approaches 1. So the given value, the value of x that we are going to put is 1. So 3 1 squared plus 4 1. So lagyan lang natin ng ganito value tayo na dito. Yan. Then the next step we're going to do is to solve this one. So this can be a little tricky, but it is solved as 1 squared is equals to 1. Then 3. Diba pag nakita natin to is, ang pag-solve natin is 3 times 1 was 3 squared. So dito, uunahin natin to. Then 1 squared is equals to 1. Then bring down 3. Then plus 4 1. And then the next step is 3 times 1 is equals to 3. Then ganun din, 4 times 1 is equals to 4. Then lastly, we are going to get the sum of 3 plus 4. So it will be 7. So the answer is 7. So limit of 3x squared plus 4x as x approaches 1 is equals to 7. So, ayan. Number 2. Limit of x cubed minus x squared plus x minus 6 over x minus 2 as x approaches 2. So dito, let's try na palitan yung x ng 2. So 2 cube minus 2 squared plus 2 minus 6 over 2 minus 2. So, tignan natin kung ang masasolve natin dito ay limit of function. So, 2 cube is equals to 8. Then, 2 squared is 4 plus 2 minus 6. Then, 2 minus 2. Tapos, 8 minus 4 plus 2 minus 6. Then 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 8 minus 4 is 4. Then 2 minus 6 is negative 4. Then 4, then 0. Then 4 minus 4 is equals to 0 over 0. So kung mapapansin natin is hindi siya function. So ano yung gagawin natin? Kapag ganito yung lumabas, the thing that we are going to do is to factor the numerator and the denominator. So let's factor it. So in order to factor the given, we have to think of a possible value that when we do full method on it, is the answer should be the given. So let's start. So x cubed minus x squared plus x minus 6 over x minus 2. So So, ang gagawin nating factor niya is x minus 2, then x squared plus x plus 3, then over x minus 2. So, after we factor it, we lagyan lang natin. Then, copy natin yung na result nung na-factor natin na value. X minus 2, x squared plus x plus 3, x minus 2. So, katulad nung ginawa natin kanina sa number 1, papalitan natin dito yung value ng x doon sa kung ano yung ina-approach niya. So, dito sa number 2 is 2. Ina-approach niya ay 2. So, palitan natin ito lahat ng 2. So, magiging 2 minus 2 and 2 squared plus 2 plus 3. Then, over, ito rin, 2 minus 2. So, dito, para hindi na tayo mahirapan, cancel natin yung etong 2 dahil pareha sila. Para hindi natin pahirapan yung susunod natin na gagawin. And then, ang natira na lang is 2 squared plus 2 plus 3. And then, 2 squared is equal to 4 plus 2 plus 3. And then, pag-add lang natin to. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 3 is 9. So, limit of x cubed minus x squared plus x minus 6 over x minus 2 as x approaches 2, and the answer is 9. So, that's it.
Good day, I am Clarice Marie D. Herrera and I am assigned to solve this problem. So, let's evaluate the limit of x squared minus 4 divided by x minus 2 as x approaches 2. So, limit of x squared minus 4 divided by x minus 2 as x approaches 2. Then we will factor it. So, equals the limit of x minus 2 and x plus 2 divided by x minus 2 as x approaches 2. Then, we will cancel the common term. And cancel. So, it will be limit of x plus 2 as x approaches 2. Then, we will substitute the variable with the value. So, the limit of x plus 2 as x approaches 2. Then, we will change the variable x into 2. So, it will become 2 plus 2. As x approaches 2. So, it will become 4. Let's finalize the answer. So, limit of x squared minus 4 divided by x minus 2 as x approaches 2 is equals to 4.
For the given number 4, limit as x approaches 4 with a given of quantity square root of x minus 2 over x minus 4. So, i-conjugate muna natin yung given na yung numerator na square root of x minus 2 into quantity of square root of x plus 2 over square root of x plus 2. So, ang next step is to do the FOIL method in the numerators. So, square root of x multiplied by square root of x will give you an answer of square root of x squared. Pero, ang isusulat natin is x. Then, square root of x multiplied by positive 2, it will give you an answer of positive 2 square root of x. Then, negative 2 multiplied by square root of x will give you an answer of 2 square root of x negative. Then, 2 multiplied by positive 2, it will give you negative 4. Over, copy the denominators. Quantity of x minus 4 multiplied by square root of x plus 2. Now, pag minus natin ang parehas na terms, which are the positive 2 square root of x minus 2 square root of x will give you 0. Cancel natin. The namang titira is x minus 4 over quantity of x minus 4 multiplied by square root of x plus 2. Now, cancel natin. Will give you an answer of 1 over square root of x plus 2. Now, ang x, papalitan natin ng 4. So, it will give you an answer of 1 over square root of 4 plus 2. So, what is the square root of 4? Diba 2? So, 1 over 2 plus 2, then it will give you 1 over 4. So, the limit as x approaches 4 is 1/4.
So, another example is we will evaluate the limit of 3x minus 4 squared as x approaches 3. So, 3x minus 4 squared. Then, we will just substitute the x to 3. So, it will become 3 times 3 minus 4 squared. So, let's compute the given operation. Okay, so 3 times 3 minus 4 is equals to 5. So, 5 squared is equal to 25. So, the answer is 25.
Let's have another example. We have here given limit x approaches 2 is x squared minus 2x minus 8 and 3x minus 6. And now let's find the limit. And we are going to plug in. And after that, we have 2 squared minus 2 times 2 minus 8 and 3 times 2 minus 6. So after we simplify this, we will have 8 over 0. 8 over 0 is not a limit, so we need to
try another way, which is factoring. So we are going to rewrite it like this. We have limit x approaches to, and x minus 2, x minus 4 as the numerator, and then x plus 2 and x minus 2 as the denominator. So as you can see, we have the same factor, so we need to cancel it. And after that, we will have x is equals to 4. X is equals to 4 is what we call removable discontinuity. And we are going to do a substitution again to find the real number value of a limit. And now we have x approaches to x plus 4, and x plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 4 and 2 plus 2. 2 plus 4 is equals to 6, and then 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So we can say our limit is 6 over 4, and that's it.
Okay, number 6, evaluate. Limit x cubed minus 13x plus 12 over x cubed minus 14x plus 15. X approaches 3. So this is the solution. X cubed minus 13x plus 12 over x cubed minus 14x plus 15. So first step, factor the numerator and denominator using rational roots theorem. For numerator, the roots are 3, 1, and negative 4. Therefore, the factor x squared plus 3x minus 4. For the denominator, one of the root is 3. Therefore, one of the factor is x minus 3. By dividing x minus 3 to the given polynomial in the denominator, the answer will be x squared plus 3x minus 5. So, step 2, simplify the numerator and the denominator. Since the common term on the both numerator and denominator is x minus 3, we can cancel the both terms. Step 3. To solve for the limit, substitute x equals 3. Substitute x equals 3 to all the values of x in the simplified function. By solving and simplifying, the answer will be 14 over 30.
Evaluate number 7. Limit of x plus 3 squared minus 9 over 2x. As x approaches 0, then before we proceed, let us also try to change every x to the value to this 0, and let's see if the result will be a limit of function. So limit x plus 3 squared minus 9 as x approaches 0. Then let us change the value of x. So dahil 0 siya, 0 plus 3 squared minus 9, and then 2, 0. Tapos 0 plus 3, obviously ang lalabas ay 3. So 3 squared minus 9, then 2 times 0, obviously 0. And then next step is 3 squared minus 9. So 3 squared is 9 minus 9 over 0. And then 9 minus 9, 0, 0. So siya ay hindi limit of function. So kapag 0 ang ina-approach ni x, ang gagawin natin dito is isi-simplify natin yung expression inside inside the limit. So paano natin yung gagawin? So now we are going to simplify limit of x plus 3 squared minus 9 over 2x as x approaches 0. So ngayon ang gagawin natin is mag-simplify tayo ng expression inside inside dun sa limit. So paano natin gagawin yon? First thing that we should do is eto si x, imumultiply natin siya sa 2. And then ito yung uunahin natin. So ang magiging hindi mo natin papakailaman yung value ng x. So kapag mag-simplify tayo, si x ang automatic ang value niya ay 1. So 1 squared or x squared is equals niya ay x. So imagine na lang natin na 1 yung value ni x. So x squared or 1 squared is x or 1. So next na gagawin natin is i-squared ulit natin tong 3 dito. Then 3 squared is 9. So plus 9. So next is dahil tapos na natin silang i-square dito, ang gagawin natin is ito naman dito. Si 3 is ipag-multiply naman natin siya 3 times 2. So, kung kanina yung ginawa natin is 3 squared, ngayon naman is 3 times 2. And the answer is 6. So, copyhin lang natin tong si 9. And then, copy 2x. Then, cancel natin yung like terms, which is this x. So, cancel na yan. So, ang ilalagay na natin is 9 plus 6 minus 9 over 2. Then, the next step will be, we are going to add these two. Then, 9 plus 6 is equal to 15 minus 9 divide 2. And then 15 minus 9 is equal to 6, then divide 2, and then the 6 divide 2 is equal to 3. So, limit of x plus 3 squared minus 9 divide 2x as x approaches 0 is equal to 3. So, this is the answer. Thank you.
Okay, so let's have another example. Given limit x approaches 1 is x squared plus x minus 2 and x minus 1. And rewrite it like this: x squared plus x minus 2 as the numerator and then x minus 1 as the denominator. Substitute limit x approaches 1 to x minus 1, x minus 2, and x minus 1. And then cancel out the common factors. Now we have limit x approaches 1 is x minus 2. 1 minus 2 is equal to negative 1. And now we have the limit x approaches 1 is equal to negative 1.
So, for problem number 9 and 10, magtatagalog na lang ako para mas maintindihan. So the problem is the limit of 1 plus 1x over x plus 1 as x approaches to negative 1. So para makuha natin ang solution, we have to factor the numerator and the denominator. So 1 plus 1 over x plus 1. Pag finactor natin, magiging 1 plus 1 over x multiplied by 1 plus 1 over x. So, cancel lang natin yung magkaparehas. Then, ang magiging answer is 1 over x. Then, lagay lang natin yung value ng x na yung negative 1. Then, the final answer will be negative 1 because 1 over negative 1 is negative 1. For problem number 10, we have the limit of 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 over 4x minus 2 as x approaches to 1/2. So again, factor lang ulit natin yung numerator and denominator. So, pag finactor mo na sila, magiging answer niya is 2x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 4 over 2 multiplied by 2x minus 1. Again, cancel lang ulit natin yung magkaparehas na terms. Then, ang magiging answer is x plus 4 over 2. Then, lagay lang natin yung value ng x which is yung 1/2. So, magiging 1/2 plus 4 over 2. So, 1/2 plus 4 equals 4 and 1/2 over 2. So, hanapin lang natin yung reciprocal ng 4 and 1/2. So, 4 times 2 plus 1 equals 9. Then, ilagay lang ulit natin yung value ng denominator which is yung 2. Then, cross multiplication, 9 times 1, then 2 times 2 will give us 9 over 4. So, the final answer will be 2.25.
Step right left to my beat.